Is your external component, the Chromium Embedded Framework WinForms DLL, not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish CefSharp Project links. Get the professional Chromium Embedded Framework WinForms fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the Chromium Embedded Framework WinForms, a managed .NET wrapper for the Chromium Embedded Framework. It allows developers to embed a Google Chrome browser inside WinForms software. If missing, trading tools and game launchers will display a blank window or report an assembly load failure. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Since Chromium Embedded Framework WinForms DLL is an embedded part of the CefSharp Project architecture, you should perform a clean reinstall of the application that triggered the message to ensure all proprietary components are restored to their proper paths. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Chromium Embedded Framework WinForms message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of Chromium Embedded Framework WinForms DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. Resolve library inconsistencies and review system architecture using the reference below for information related to your Chromium Embedded Framework WinForms environment. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Chromium Embedded Framework WinForms remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.